Diversity, equity, and inclusion, or DEI, are critical components of a thriving workplace. In 2024, businesses simply cannot afford to ignore these concepts. DEI fosters an environment where all employees feel valued and respected. It leads to higher job satisfaction, increased innovation, and better financial performance. The modern workforce is more diverse than ever. Companies must adapt to remain competitive. DEI initiatives help attract top talent from various backgrounds. They also reduce turnover by creating a supportive work environment. When employees feel included, they are more likely to stay with the company. Moreover, DEI is not just a moral imperative, it's a business necessity. Studies show that diverse teams are more creative and effective. They bring a variety of perspectives that drive innovation. Companies with strong DEI practices also tend to have better reputations, which can attract customers and investors. In conclusion, DEI is essential for modern businesses. It enhances employee engagement, boosts innovation, and improves financial performance. Companies that prioritize DEI are better positioned to succeed in today's competitive market. Building a diverse and inclusive workplace requires deliberate strategies. One key strategy is developing a comprehensive DEI policy. This policy should outline the company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. It should also detail specific actions the company will take to promote DEI. Another strategy is to create employee resource groups, or ERGs. ERGs are voluntary employee-led groups that foster a diverse, inclusive workplace. They provide support and networking opportunities for employees. ERGs also help raise awareness about diversity issues within the company. Mentorship programs are also crucial for promoting DEI. These programs pair employees from underrepresented groups with experienced mentors. Mentors can provide guidance, support, and career development advice. This helps to level the playing field and ensure all employees have equal opportunities for advancement. Finally, companies should implement inclusive recruitment practices. This includes writing inclusive job descriptions and using diverse hiring panels. Ensuring that the recruitment process is free from bias is critical. It helps attract a diverse pool of candidates and ensures fair hiring practices. Effective DEI initiatives often rely on established frameworks. One such framework is the inclusive workplace model. This model focuses on creating an environment where all employees feel valued and included. It emphasizes the importance of leadership commitment, employee involvement, and continuous improvement. Another useful framework is the equity and inclusion lens. This tool helps organizations assess their policies and practices. It ensures that they are equitable and inclusive. The lens encourages companies to consider the impact of their decisions on all employees, particularly those from marginalized groups. The anti-racism framework is also important. This framework involves actively identifying and dismantling racist policies and practices. It requires a commitment to ongoing education and reflection. Companies must be willing to confront uncomfortable truths and make necessary changes. Lastly, the psychological safety framework is essential for fostering inclusivity. This framework focuses on creating a safe environment where employees feel comfortable expressing themselves. It involves promoting open communication, encouraging risk-taking, and supporting employees' mental health. Creating an inclusive environment starts with leadership. Leaders must demonstrate a genuine commitment to DEI. They should communicate the importance of DEI to all employees and model inclusive behaviors. This sets the tone for the entire organization. Next, companies should conduct regular DEI training sessions. These sessions should cover topics like unconscious bias, cultural competency, and inclusive leadership. Training helps employees understand the importance of DEI and equips them with the tools to support it. Another practical step is to establish clear DEI goals and metrics. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. Tracking progress helps ensure accountability and enables companies to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, companies should create opportunities for employee feedback. This can be done through surveys, focus groups, or suggestion boxes. Listening to employees' experiences and concerns is crucial for identifying areas for improvement. It also shows employees that their voices are valued. Section 5. Real-world examples of successful DEI initiatives. Several companies have successfully implemented DEI initiatives. Google has made significant strides in promoting diversity. They have numerous ERGs and extensive DEI training. Starbucks is committed to DEI with comprehensive policies and bias training. Microsoft has created a diverse and inclusive workplace. They offer mentorship programs and regular DEI training. P&G has a dedicated DEI team and partners with external organizations. Section 6. The role of leadership in DEI. Leadership plays a crucial role in fostering a diverse and inclusive workplace. Leaders set the tone for the organization. They must demonstrate a genuine commitment to DEI through their actions and decisions. This involves prioritizing DEI in strategic planning and resource allocation. Effective leaders also communicate the importance of DEI to all employees. They should regularly discuss DEI initiatives and progress. Transparent communication helps build trust and reinforces the company's commitment to DEI. Leaders should also model inclusive behaviors. This includes actively listening to employees, promoting open communication, and encouraging diverse perspectives. When leaders demonstrate inclusive behaviors, it sets an example for the rest of the organization. Finally, leaders must hold themselves and others accountable for DEI progress. This involves setting clear DEI goals and regularly reviewing progress. Leaders should also address any issues or barriers to DEI promptly. Accountability is key to ensuring the success of DEI initiatives. Section 7. Training and development for DEI. Training and development are essential for promoting DEI. Companies should offer regular DEI training sessions. These sessions cover unconscious bias, cultural competency, and inclusive leadership. Training equips employees with tools to support DEI. Mentorship programs pair underrepresented employees with mentors. Mentors provide guidance and career advice. This ensures equal opportunities for advancement. On Section 8, Measuring DEI Success, Metrics and Tools. Measuring DEI success is critical for ensuring progress. Companies should establish clear DEI metrics and goals. These metrics should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART. Tracking progress helps ensure accountability and enables companies to make data-driven decisions. One useful metric is employee diversity. Companies should track the representation of different demographic groups within their workforce. This includes gender, race, ethnicity, age, and other relevant characteristics. Monitoring employee diversity helps identify areas for improvement. Another important metric is employee engagement. Companies should regularly survey employees to assess their experiences and satisfaction. Engagement surveys can provide valuable insights into the inclusiveness of the workplace. They can also highlight any issues or barriers to DEI. Additionally, companies should track the impact of DEI initiatives. This includes measuring the outcomes of DEI training, mentorship programs, and ERGs. Tracking these outcomes helps determine the effectiveness of DEI initiatives and identify areas for improvement. Section 9. Challenges and Solutions in Implementing DEI. Implementing DEI initiatives can be challenging. One common challenge is resistance to change. Overcoming this requires effective communication and education. Another challenge is unconscious bias. Addressing it needs ongoing training and awareness. Limited resources can also be a challenge. Companies should prioritize DEI in their strategic planning. Measuring DEI success can be difficult. Set specific, measurable goals and use data-driven tools. Section 10. The Future of DEI in Business. The future of DEI in business looks promising. Companies must prioritize DEI as the workforce diversifies. Innovative DEI initiatives and technology are essential. AI can reduce bias in hiring and promotions. Remote work shapes DEI's future. It offers new opportunities for inclusivity. Companies can hire diverse talent globally. Virtual tools support DEI training. Sustainability in DEI is crucial. Ensure DEI initiatives are sustainable. Regularly review and update DEI policies. Commit to continuous learning. Leadership in DEI is crucial. Leaders must champion DEI and model inclusivity. Hold leaders accountable for DEI progress. Strong leadership ensures DEI success. Section 11. Conclusion. The impact of sustainable DEI efforts. Sustainable DEI efforts have a profound impact on businesses. They create a more inclusive and supportive work environment. This leads to higher employee satisfaction, increased innovation, and better financial performance. Companies that prioritize DEI are better positioned to succeed in today's competitive market. Effective leadership is essential for fostering a diverse and inclusive workplace. Leaders set the tone for the organization and model inclusive behaviors. They also hold themselves and others accountable for DEI progress. Strong leadership is key to the success of DEI initiatives. Sustainable DEI efforts require ongoing commitment and continuous improvement. Companies should regularly review and update their DEI policies and practices. They should also invest in DEI training and provide resources to support it. Continuous learning and reflection are crucial for maintaining progress. In conclusion, DEI is essential for modern businesses. It enhances employee engagement, boosts innovation, and improves financial performance. Companies that prioritize DEI are better positioned to thrive in today's diverse and competitive market.